everybody, it's Miss Foot Fixer. In this video, I'll be removing this nail very quickly. The reason why I'm removing it very quickly was because this patient had ripped it semi-apart by bumping into the cupboard. So there was no need for anesthetic or complicated surgery because it's already 90% lifted off. So I thought I'd just pull it away. And it didn't hurt too much. Have fun! Perfect, so it's come off. I think that's really good. Has this happened to you? Have you knocked your toes? What kind of things did you knock your toe with? Comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!